Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable smooth scrolling in your Google Chrome. First, let's open our Google Chrome and understand what smooth scrolling actually is. Now, whenever you scroll your Google Chrome web page, you might feel some jittery or might feel it a little laggy, especially if you have high refresh rate monitors or displays. So, to counter that issue, Google offers a very special feature known as smooth scrolling. What it will do that it will animate your scrolling and it will appear to be a lot more smooth. Although this is a hidden feature and it can only be accessed using the Chrome flags. So first let's access our Google Chrome flags. To access Chrome flags, simply type on the search bar Chrome and flags like this. You need to type it exactly the same way and then hit enter. Once you do, you can see this particular window right here with a lot of options. All you need to do is go to the search flags search bar and write smooth scrolling. Just you will write this and this option will appear which says smooth scrolling. Now you can see that it is set to default right now. What we will be doing is we will enable it. Once you enable it, you will be asked to relaunch the Google Chrome. Simply click on the relaunch button. Once you click on the relaunch button, the Chrome will be relaunched and you will feel that the scrolling now has improved a lot. It might not be that much significant, but it will definitely improve your browsing and viewing experience. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment on it, and share it. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.